Welcome to our course on the power of mindset, a crucial topic for anyone looking to start a successful restaurant or food business. Today, we'll explore how your mindset influences your decisions, actions, and ultimately your success in the competitive restaurant industry. Let's dive into what mindset really means. Mindset is the set of beliefs and attitudes that shape how we perceive and respond to challenges and opportunities. There are two main types of mindsets. Fixed mindset. Beliefs, abilities, and intelligence are static. This can limit your growth and adaptation. Growth mindset. Beliefs, abilities can be developed through effort and learning, leading to resilience and adaptability. Let's look at some examples. Imagine a restaurant owner with a fixed mindset who resists changing their menu based on customer feedback. This reluctance could lead to stagnation and potential failure. Now, picture a restaurant owner with a growth mindset who actively seeks and incorporates feedback. This approach helps them innovate and thrive. So, how does your mindset influence decisions? Let's explore this through a couple of real-life case studies. In one case, a restaurant faced financial difficulties. The owner embraced these challenges with a growth mindset by innovating their menu and launching a targeted marketing campaign. The result? A turnaround in financial performance and increased customer engagement. In contrast, another restaurant owner with a fixed mindset struggled with declining sales but refused to adapt. This resistance to change led to continued losses and eventual closure. Now, let's engage with some interactive activities. Think about a decision you've made influenced by your mindset. How did it impact the outcome? Share your thoughts and discuss with others. Next, let's dive into how to cultivate a growth-oriented mindset. Here are some key techniques. Set and re-evaluate goals. Outline your goals and review them periodically. Adjust as needed to stay on track. Embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities for growth. Think about how to innovate and adapt. Continuous learning. Create a development plan. Attend workshops, read industry materials, and seek mentorship. Let's talk about mindset and decision making. Consider using a decision-making framework. Evaluate your options, analyze their pros and cons, and think about how your mindset influences these choices. For instance, deciding whether to invest in new technology. A growth mindset might lead you to see it as an opportunity to enhance efficiency, while a fixed mindset might make you hesitant due to fear of failure. Remember, building resilience and staying motivated are key. Focus on your successes, practice self-care, and maintain a supportive network. These strategies will help you stay motivated and resilient. As we wrap up, let's recap the importance of a growth mindset and its impact on your entrepreneurial journey. A growth mindset helps you adapt, overcome challenges, and seize opportunities. By embracing this mindset, you'll be better equipped to turn your restaurant concept into a thriving business. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering the power of mindset. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips to help you succeed in the restaurant industry. Don't forget to check out the additional resources provided and engage with your fellow students. Together, we'll make your restaurant dreams a reality. See you in the next module.